Hi, I am Durga. We have taken two class product and now I am continuing this chapter product life cycle. All human beings take birth, educate themselves, grow, then become old and one day die. This is known as the life cycle of human beings. The journey of product from its birth to death is visualized as product life cycle. That means from the birth to death, different ways are passing out in the human being, and that is called a human life cycle. Meaning and definition of product life cycle. Product life begins with its market introduction, then goes through a period during which markets grow rapidly. Eventually, it reaches at maturity, then stands saturated. That means the product life begins when a product enters into market, that is introduction stage. Then the product will reach to a maximum stage, that is growth stage. Then it is coming down and maturity stage, and last it is something is added to improve the product, that is called saturation stage. അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം ഒരു പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് ആദ്യം ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അതിന് വേണ്ട പോലെ എല്ലാം വേണം. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അത് മാർക്കറ്റിൽ ഗ്രോത്ത് സ്റ്റേജിലേക്ക് എത്തും. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ മച്യൂരിറ്റി സ്റ്റേജിൽ അവസാനം പ്രോഡക്റ്റിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും മാറ്റങ്ങൾ വരുത്തിയിരിക്കണം. Afterwards, its market declines and finally its life comes to an end. Thus, product passes through different stages. അടുത്തത് that is product then the market declines at this stage and it is thrown out of the market and its life is coming to an end. അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം പിന്നീട് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് മാർക്കറ്റിന് ഇല്ലാണ്ടായി തീരും. അത് അവസാനം അത് ഇല്ലാണ്ടായിട്ട് മാർക്കറ്റ് തന്നെ മൊത്തത്തിൽ തുടച്ചു നീക്കപ്പെടും. The stage through which product passes are collectively known as product life cycle. The different stages through product passes we can say as product life cycle. That means from the introduction stage, growth stage, maturity stage, saturation stage and abundance stage. During this stage, the product is completely wiped out from the market. Product life cycle stages. Product life cycle stages is divided into 4 stages. First one, introduction stage. A seed is planted. It is just like planting a seed and that is the initial stage. Second one, growth. The root takes place and leaves comes out. That means when seed is planted, the second stage it is developing and leaves are coming out. Third stage, maturity. Adulthood takes place. That means the plant is coming out and it is reaching to a growth stage. That leaves, buds, everything is coming out. Fourth stage, decline. The plant begins to shrink and finally die. That means after maturity stage, we have to make some changes in the product in the market. Otherwise, the just like the plant will be dying finally. Now we are going to say the first stage, introduction. This is the first stage in life product. After testing, a product enter at this stage and the product will become available in the market. During this stage, the sales are low. That means this is the first stage in the product life cycle. After testing the product, we are entering into the market and at that time the product will be available also in the market and during this stage the sales are low. അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം ഈ സമയത്താണ് പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ മാർക്കറ്റിലേക്ക് എത്തിക്കാൻ പറ്റുമെന്ന് പരീക്ഷിക്കണം. അതിനുശേഷം നമ്മൾ പ്രോഡക്റ്റിന് മാർക്കറ്റിലേക്ക് ലഭ്യത ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. ആ സമയത്ത് സാധാരണ നിലയ്ക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ സെയിൽസ് വളരെ കുറവായിരിക്കും. The main characteristics. 1. Low sales. That means sales is very low. Second one, low profit or loss. Third one, high cost. And fourth one, high price. And fifth one, less competition. That means the sales will be low, we will be getting only less profit or loss, and the cost will be high because the production cost will increase and the price will be increasing because when production cost increase, the price is to be increased and there will be less competition to that product also. 2. Growth. During growth stage, more customers begin to buy the product. This is because the customer who purchased during introduction stage are purchasing again. Sales will begin to grow and companies which have been incurring losses begin to make profit. This means that is during the second stage, the customer is by getting the awareness on the introduction stage, the customer begin to buy the product and they are purchasing again and again. That means the sales will be increasing and company have been increasing losses can make profit. The main characteristics: rapidly increasing sales. Second one, expansion in the sale of production. Third one, rising profit. Fourth one, lower unit cost. Fifth one, competition. And sixth one, stable or slightly reduced price. അതിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം സെയിൽസ് പെട്ടെന്ന് കൂടും, അതുപോലെ സെയിൽസ് പ്രൊഡക്ഷനും എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യും. മൂന്നാമത്തെ പ്രോഫിറ്റ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, കോസ്റ്റ് യൂണിറ്റ് കുറവായിരിക്കും. അഞ്ചാമത്തെ കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, നമുക്ക് കോമ്പറ്റീഷൻ സർവൈവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരും. പിന്നെ സ്റ്റേബിൾ ഓർ സ്ലൈറ്റ് റെഡ്യൂസ് പ്രൈസ്, നമുക്ക് കുറേശ്ശെ വില കുറയ്ക്കാനും പറ്റും. തേർഡ് വൺ, മച്യൂരിറ്റി. This stage has the longest duration. In the maturity stage, the demand for the product and reaches saturation point. Competition becomes severe. During this stage, the manufacturers introduce new model or adopt methods such as trading in, etc. to promote sales. That means this is the longest period in the case of product life cycle. In the maturity stage, the demand for the product is there and reaches saturation point. That means during maturity stage, we must make some changes in the product. Otherwise, the product will be thrown out of the market. And competition is very severe. And manufacturer has to introduce new model, new taste, new the product and methods in the trading up and to promote sales. The main characteristics: sales grow at diminishing rate. Second one, price tends to follow. Third one, profits start declining. Stiff competition. Product supply may exceed demand. Product modification and improvement. That means sales grow at a diminishing rate. The sales will be coming down and the price is also decreasing and the product will be declining, and usually gradually it will be thrown out of the market if you are not adapting any modification. And we have stiff competition. That means we have to face severe competition from the same product in the market. Product supply may exceed demand. And last one, product modification and improvement is to be made to the product. Fourth one, decline. At this stage, sales begin to follow. There may be little or no profit. The production cost and inventory cost become larger. At this stage, the competition becomes severe. Customers go for newer and better product due to technological development, change in taste, etc. Therefore, sales start declining. That means during the decline stage, the sales will be coming down and there will be no profit. And the production cost and inventory cost will be larger. And this competition have to face. And customer will go and search for a new product because of technological development and change in taste is to be made. Therefore, the sales start coming down or declining. The important features: rapid fall in sales. Second one, fall in price. Third one, no promotional expense. Fourth one, reducing distribution network to the minimum. Product technology become obsolete. That means during decline stage, the sales will be coming down and the price will be decreasing and there will be no promotional expense. And fourth one, distribution network will be reduced and the technology will become outdated. And next, the marketing objective at this stage is to withdraw the product from the market or to take revival plans or to reintroduce the product in more modified form. That means after declining stage, that is, they have to withdraw the product in the market, and for their survival or revival, they have to reintroduce the product with a new modification way. Then only they can survive that product in the market. That is all. This is about product life cycle. Now we have completed 3 parts: introduction of product, product line and development, and product life cycle. I think you have all taken the view of this slide. and please take down the notes and prepare well, and you must get the feedback also. Thanking you once again.